Okay, so this is my second project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So I was required to make a website that is similar to Wikipedia or Encyclopedia, which shows me the contents or information for a particular title. So I can type in that particular title in the URL section by going to /wiki/ any title. For example, I go to Django, then I'm going to be redirected to that particular title page, and it's also showing me the contents of that particular titles page. And also we can see that for example CSS is currently an existing title, and that's why if I type /wiki/css, then I'm going to be redirected to that page. What happens if we type it title that currently does not exist in our existing titles? For example, if I type in /wiki/ let's say Java. If I type in Java, then it's going to show me an error that this page was not found because it's not in our existing titles. We can see all the existing titles in the home page, and we can also see that we can visit these pages by clicking on any title. If I press HTML, then I am redirected to that particular title that I clicked on. So there's also another feature of our page of searching titles. Like if I type in py, then we can see that py is a substring of Python, so it showed Python as a search result. If you type D, then D is a substring for Django, Donald Trump, and Markdown, so it showed me all these search results. Now what happens if I type in a query that exactly matches a particular title that currently exists? Like if I type in Django, then I'm going to be redirected to that particular title. And if I type in a query that does not exist, is not an existing title, like if I type in Java, then I'm going to be redirected to the home page. Okay, so there's also another feature of creating a new page. For example, if I want to create a new page, like if I want to create Django, uh, now if I press the submit button, but we saw that Django is currently an existing page. So this is going to show an error that this title already exists. We can also not leave the fields empty. It's also going to show an error. Now if I type in Java, and I'll have to write in the markdown content in the text area. I can write in whatever piece of information I want to. Like Java is a general purpose programming language. Now when I press the submit button, it's going to redirect me to a new page that is created called Java, and to see that if the markdown content is actually being converted to HTML, I have typed in these double stars, which converts the text into bold. Uh, so we can see that the text is converted to bold, so our conversion was successful and we were redirected to that uh, title we just created. So there's also another feature that we can edit a particular page. Like for example, if I go to the Python page and if I press this button, then I'll be shown this text area which is already pre-filled with the current contents, and I can write in whatever I want to. Like I write it was released in 1990. Then when I submit it, then I'm going to be redirected to that page with its updated contents. Now the second feature, now there's another feature of going to any random page. For example, if I press this random page button, then I'm going to be um, redirected to all the random pages. Like, okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay.